What's up, everybody? Mike Lovelace with Lovey's Fat Life, and today the Lovelace family, we're going to show you a little bit about Half Moon Cay. We're going to give you some tips on the clamshell. We made an error, Carnival maybe made an error, I don't know, we're going to let you decide that. But then also we're going to take a look at the bathroom facilities. Yes, I said bathroom facilities. And just take a look at the beach, the ride into and from Half Moon Cay. Half Moon Cay is one of our favorite, if not the favorite island that you visit. Definitely the favorite in the Bahamas. But you guys come along with us. Please like and subscribe. Lovey's Fat Life. Thank you. Starting out, you'll be on a water shuttle or tender. This day they did pack them on here. It probably took us 45 minutes to fill up and then finally get to the island. If you are concerned with claustrophobia or something like that, or you get anxiety being close to people, as you can see right here, we were less than 3 feet away from somebody in front of us. The actual ride into Half Moon Cay is very short, and to be honest with you, it's really pretty. The water is turquoise, bluish green, but the ride in and ride out is not bad at all. Once you get off the water shuttle, there'll be plenty of opportunities to take pictures prior to going to Half Moon Cay. I think it was called Little San Salvador as well, but it does get a little bit congested here going into the main entrance of it, but still not that bad. If you have a short excursion, this little hut right here on the left side of the screen is where you would enter the roped off area and then turn your tickets in. And actually on Carnival's website it says you do that as well for the clamshells, but you do not. You go to the clamshells and stand there, and then somebody in a yellow shirt will come to you and unlock them and provide them for you. But right here on the left is the Excursion Desk. Half Moon Cay Beach is incredibly beautiful. It was packed already this day at 10 o'clock in the morning. But definitely, we're going to give you a tip on the clamshells and the tenders here in a second. But as you can see, just the beauty itself, you can't beat it. So I guess we're going to walk a long ways. We're going to learn a lesson here. Huh? We're going to have to walk a long ways to get a clamshell. This is packed. We made a mistake. All right, we're in Half Moon Cay. It's 10 till 10, and the beach is packed. And we're right next to Cabana 10. Our clamshells are almost as far as you can get to the end of the beach. So pro tip, read your room information that comes to you, because it says 7:45. The tickets say 9, so we didn't think they would start loading until 9 o'clock, but they started really early this morning, so we made a mistake.
We were on the water shuttle before now.
Right. Actually, it took probably 45 minutes from the water shuttle, right? So it took a very long time on the water shuttle to fill it up and then to get it in. And then I think Carnival needs to put on their ticket 7:45 instead of 9 o'clock, because that's what we were kind of thinking. They would start loading up to come over here
because the ticket said 9, but 7:45. What you think, Aunt? You look tired already. Bad, Michelle?
It was a haul.
So snorkeling may not even happen now because we're so far away. Look how far it is. That's where we wanted to snorkel. I don't think that's gonna happen. Big bummer. So let's drink some beer and try to make the best out of a error on our part, error on Carnival's part, whatever. But this beach is packed. There's only one ship out here. It's not so bad out here, but we're also at the very end of the beach. Crazy. That's beautiful water though. So we were near Cabana 10, and just a hint, if you're down here, the restrooms are right up next to this big villa here, and which is next to number 9. So let's go check that out, the bathrooms. All right, these are the restrooms near Cabana 9. All right. So I made sure nobody was in here. There's only one pooper. Just to let you know. 2 stand-up urinals and 3 sinks. Because you gotta know when you gotta go, Lovey's Fat Life has you covered. That's what the bathrooms look like. All right, so we are in a clamshell here. How many times can I say clamshell today? Clamshell is great. Protection from the shade. Tip, keep the back open. We got a center block on the other one. I found a big rock to kind of open up, keep the air flowing. You know, the air flows through and out, so that's pretty awesome. This is the view I have from the clamshell. Michelle and Anthony's out there way out, right at the rope. I bet you can see that. Beautiful day. The one great thing about this far down is there's less people, of course. Selling the Bahama Mamas in the beer. Bucket of beer. I think you can get 3 or 6. I got a 3 of West Coast IPA. But yeah, it's beautiful here, as you can see. What's up, Aunt?
Hi.
He's got his life vest on, and we're way out here at the rope. And again, I'm 6 foot tall. And let's see if I can make it all the way to the rope on my tiptoes. And this is at 10:30 in the morning, and I am still on my tiptoes out here.
I am too.
You're not on your tiptoes. And I made it. I'm all the way out.
Wow.
To the rope. I'm standing flat-footed now, and this is how much we got left.
So it's about 5 foot here.
It's about 5 foot deep. Now I don't know if this is tide coming in or going out, but that's what it is at 5 o'clock. Now they're cranking the music up at the Captain Morgan's. I think it's called Captain Morgan's. What is it called?
That sounds good.
We're going to call it Captain Morgan's.
That's what it is
In
today.
memory of the alcohol, the liquor, Captain Morgan's. This beach is packed.
It is unbelievably packed.
Boom shakalaka.
Boom shakalaka.
Shell, what'd you think about that walk out here?
I thought it sucked.
The walk sucked out here, didn't it? Anthony, it
It
sucked.
was hot. Sucked.
But we're making the best of a bad situation, right?
Absolutely.
We might as well. We're on vacation.
This water is
Can't
gorgeous.
change it. Live and learn from your mistakes. We're giving you the tips so you don't make that same mistake. If you got a clamshell or an excursion booked, make sure you read your room paper that comes to you, your newsletter. Because it did say 7:45, but we didn't see it this morning until after we went and ate and
Plus
came
our
back.
ticket said 9.
The ticket said 9 o'clock,
And
right?
we had already looked at our tickets, so we had that in our head that that was the accurate time.
That's right. So again, lesson learned. We're going to turn that page and be done with it. If we do any snorkeling, it would have to be as we go back in today. If we decide to do that, I don't know. I really want to snorkel here because of Matt and Kimbra saying how good it was, but
However, this just gives us an excuse to come back.
it's a long ways up from here.
All right, it's about 1:30 and we were ready to head back. Here's a tip. You can go up to Captain Morgan's or whatever the name of this place is called, this little pirate ship bar, and you can pick up a tram ride back to the main entrance. There's also a little church at Half Moon Cay that was really cute, and they were actually having a service in here. And then we also know some basketball courts as we was walking back.
All right, this is exiting Half Moon Cay to get back onto the ship. We got to go through scanning here.
Thank you for coming along with us to Half Moon Cay. We went here in June of 2022. Hope we gave you a little bit of tips on the clamshells, when to get on the water shuttle or tender going to the island. Don't make that mistake like we did. Double check your tickets, but more importantly, double check your information provided to you the night before in your room on a sheet of paper. But we did have a wonderful time here. Yeah, we was a little bit upset at the beginning, but you know, we have some mobility issues. And, you know, you just got to get off that ship earlier and check your information. That's our fault overall. But we absolutely love Half Moon Cay. We're going to be going 3 times in 2022 to it. That's how much we love it. And some of the cruises we're booking is just because it is going to Half Moon Cay. But as you can see here leaving, it's just a beautiful island overall. The water, how clear it is. And then the sugary beaches is just, I mean, it's just like walking in sugar. It's so white and so soft. Again, thank you guys. Please like and subscribe to our channel, Lovey's Fat Life. We're providing you information on our cruises we go on, but we also love traveling to the Smoky Mountains of Tennessee. Thank you. Have a blessed day.